Welcome to the Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. On today's segment, we have a customer question. One of the more bizarre questions I've ever been asked. What's the difference between an adjustable base and a box spring? Well, for one thing, adjustable bases are way cooler. They're a little more expensive, but they're worth every penny in my opinion. You get your head up in the air, you get some feet up, you can relax, watch some TV, heck, even eat some food in bed, check your emails, whatever. Some have vibrations, some don't. I'm gonna give you a quick little demo on how cool a box spring is, but first I need my prince, and maybe my prince will show up, I don't know. My princess will show up, we'll see. Ready? Alright, princess, we're gonna do a quick demo. Here's a box spring, features and benefits. It lays flat. It doesn't really do much. It gives you great support, but new program here at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. For the low price of $99.99, you can rent a Prince. First, I need my Prince. All right, so if you rent the Prince for $99.99, you can lift your head up. You can hold that for at least 8 hours, at least, right? And we have vibration. Can we get the vibration going? Look at that massage. That's just great. We'll give you a couple terms and conditions about the payments. We'll see what happens there. But thank you guys for tuning in. That was the difference between an adjustable base and a box spring. Hopefully you make the decision to go to an adjustable base. See you guys next week.
Mattress Prince not available Monday through Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, 24/7 not available. See store for details.